Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good, my correct people. We don't carry another wahala gist. I don't know what I call this one, wahala gist. I be breakfast gist. Allegedly, we don't hear say Ooni of Ife don prepare special and the unexpected breakfast for the Oloris. Yes, so about Queen Naomi's return to the palace of Ile-Ife. Sometimes it's good like this, so it's good that something happen so that people will know their stand. Oloris them, they will know that sometimes Ooni of Ife can be serious if he wants to be serious. So if after saying all of these things, it will not just be as usual. So allegedly, we heard that Ooni of Ife called the Oloris early morning meeting to announce to them that all these things that have been happening, that it's because of them that all of these things is happening, that they don't try enough. They don't so cause Ooni of Ife said that these women have caused him more pain, that it's time they get prepared to leave the palace for him and for Queen Naomi, that they have done enough, that all of these things that is happening right now is because of them that these things are happening. That if not for them, Queen Naomi wouldn't have gone to marry anybody. Queen Naomi wouldn't have left the palace at the first time. And this man, Ademiju, wouldn't have seen Queen Naomi to propose to. You see, that they have done enough. That they should start preparing for their leave because they are going to leave the palace. That before that June, he gave Queen Naomi, let them be sure that all of them have left the palace before that June. Because you know that after this proposal of a thing, Ooni of Ife started pleading that Queen Naomi should please, wait till June. That if June now reach, he no do anything, Queen Naomi can do anything she want to do. Allegedly, my correct people know, because you know one thing about Ooni of Ife is that you cannot say what actually he has in mind, because after hearing that Ooni of Ife said a particular thing, you'll be waiting and thanking God that, hey, thank God, at least Queen Naomi will come back to the palace, expecting that Ooni of Ife will go on with that thing that he said. Tomorrow you will see him doing another thing. The people you thought that is going to leave the palace when you expected, you will still see them relaxed in the palace, enjoying themselves in the palace. But you see, now again, this one that happened right now, this engagement that be proposal, there's difference between, I don't know why people are calling this thing engagement though. There's this difference between engagement and proposal. I proposed that I want to marry you. Do you accept? If you accept, that is when I will now come and engage you, so that another person will not see you and look at you. You are now going to be my wife. You see? So I don't know why people continue to say that this is engagement. It's not an engagement. It's a proposal. Adeniju wanted to propose to Queen Naomi to know if Queen Naomi will accept that he should marry Queen Naomi. But I don't know what that man drink sef. Be like say that man dey drink gogoro sometimes, because sorry that I'm using this. I know he's a pastor. I'm sorry for saying this to a man of God. Please, forgive me with all due respect. If not for one thing, I would say that this man dey drink gogoro, because this Queen Naomi you went to propose to, she told you that she's married. The husband have not divorced her. Just because you love her, you want to marry her, you want her to be your own, you now left everything you are doing. Okay, let me just ask this question, because sometimes we have to be considerate though. If actually this Ademiju wife, because we hear that this Ademiju have 11 years old girl, that is daughter, his own daughter, that his ex-wife married for him, gave birth for him. What if it happened that this his daughter now, the wife does not divorce him, and he heard that somebody else want to go and marry this his wife, and he still love the wife. What is he going to do if he is in the shoe of Ooni of Ife right now? Anyway, I will not still blame him too much because Ooni of Ife caused all of this. Had it been you brought your wife in, not expose her to the public, knowing fully well that this woman is a beautiful woman, that every man would want to have her. Now you cause am. So now that you have prepared a special meal for this your Oloris, let us see how they are going to enjoy this meal. Let's see how they are going to enjoy this precious and unexpected breakfast that you prepare for them. Somebody like Ronke and the Mariam. Let's just wait and see how it goes. Because I know that Ronke will never. Mariam have said it. Is it now that 3 of them is pregnant? How do you expect them to leave the palace? Ronke is pregnant. Allegedly. Now wetin we hear say doctor report. Mariam, her own, she don dey pregnant since. We no dey see her again. Dr. Elizabeth, her own is that she don't even want trouble. She just leave people and go to Magado, Kwabi Mongoda, where the parents is staying. These 3, they are now pregnant. How do you expect the 3 to leave the palace? They did not leave when they were not pregnant. Even Dr. Elizabeth's own is not a case. Even if she give birth today, you want her to leave. She's going to leave with all pleasure. But you see Mariam and the Ronke, Omo, are you a learner? You dey learn? They're not going to leave. Now war. Rather, they will go to meet their waiting. They're waiting, they call them. They're going to meet their Babalawo abi Mamalawo to prepare a special jazz that will keep them in the palace forever and ever. And this jazz, come be like say the jazz come dey touch Ooni of Ife this time around, because me, I don't know. I can't understand why a husband to a beautiful woman, the woman you said you love, will be comfortable. The wife is outside the palace. You are staying in the palace with people you said you don't really love the way you love the other person. Omo, we used to sing that Anota Abo Achopu Agadi. Omo, this one na Abo now. This Queen Naomi, na him be the chassis. All these old cargoes, na him be the Agadi now. What are you doing with old cargoes, leaving the chassis behind? Omo, this kind of things I no too understand them. Anyway, now that Ooni of Ife want to announce to them that they're going to leave, let us see whether they are going to leave or is it going to be business as usual. Now, so I take the hear am. Don't forget that they are all alleged. Let us see whether Ooni of Ife is serious, because one thing about him is that he don't used to be serious. He take matter too light. But for Queen Naomi this time around, Ademiju is still on the corner. He said that he's not going to leave until he sees Queen Naomi become his own. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.